Okay, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're going to be talking about the potential severe weather specifically in the Mid-Atlantic states for the day on Friday. We could have some severe weather today. We have a marginal risk out. But the bigger risk will actually come on the day. On Friday, you see the green. And look at this right here. This orange and red right along this boundary. There's going to be a warm front in the area. This could trigger some tornadic thunderstorms tomorrow. And that even gets stronger around the Bedford County area as we go into 8 p.m. tomorrow. So the main time will be from 5 to 8 p.m. where we get the most potential for significant tornadoes or tornado probability. And I would say anywhere from Roanoke east has to be on the eye on this because the STP or the significant tornado parameters are definitely higher. I'm going to look at your shear levels here, and you're going to see the same thing. Shear levels have heavily increased tomorrow. That yellow, red, and backing winds will definitely be an issue as we head into the day. So I'm going to take a look here at the sim reflectivity to show you what it looked like overall. And you can see from today, but watch tomorrow. I will show you this. Tomorrow's going to be a secondary fire up. Boom, right there. I expect there to be some supercells tomorrow and possibly some tornadic thunderstorms. Damaging winds and hail at the least with these thunderstorms. We also could have a mesoscale convective system move through the area. So please stay tuned to liveweatherblogs.com, the Weather Pros, and I will update you with the latest information. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thank you for watching.